Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading above 4,000 again, as we have discussed earlier also plenty of times that 4,000 is the main cause of trouble. Gold 4,000 is the main villain here, because 4,000 is not letting the market go down, and 4,000 is not also letting the market go up. Market is just trading around 4,000. It's just acting like a magnet. Today in the group, before posting the analysis and the levels, I mentioned one thing that I would like to share here as well, that my reference, gold has proved again that gold is not for weak-hearted. So if you have a weak heart, please do not trade on gold. Secondly, if you're new to trading, if you're a beginner, then also please do not trade on gold, because these days you won't find any logic. For example, if you have been following a strategy, or if you have been following some theories, you won't find those stuff here, because gold is not following any rules in the last few days. So logic and gold are not moving together right now. So for the next few days, if you are new to trading, then give it a pause, and look for opportunities outside gold. And today is more dangerous because today is NFP day. As we all know, NFP, CPI, FOMC, these are major events that can give a direction of the market, or that can change the direction of the market completely. But yesterday market has moved a lot. And when market moves a lot before a major event, that may also signify that the actual move has already come. For example, the move that we saw yesterday on gold was totally unexpected. So before NFP, a move like this may signify that the actual move has already come, and today we may not see some major movements, because see, market manipulation, insider trading are bitter realities of the market. That happens, and we need to accept it. Anyways, let's wait and watch, and be careful at the time of NFP. If market moves crazily, if you see that there is no logic in trading, then just shut down the laptop and spend some quality time with your friends and family. Because there is a possibility that today we may just see spikes, or it may just go for SL hunting on both sides of the market. And in case gold takes a direction, for example, if you see the market is forming big candles, then just follow the trend of the market. At the time of news, the only way to make money is follow the trend of the markets. Reversal can be dangerous. If market goes up, you can buy. If market drops, you can sell. That's it. So whatever we are about to discuss are the trading opportunities before NFP, not after NFP. So let's start one by one. So on the chart of gold right now, we can see the market is range bound, or market is sideways, because market is not giving us any clear direction. And before a major event like NFP, sideways market is quite natural as well. So right now, this is the current market situation. So in a market condition like this, where is the best support? The best support is always at the bottom. So here 3942, 3950 is the best support. So if market drops before NFP, obviously you can expect market to take support on 394250. After NFP also, if you see market taking support, this is a support where you can trust. If you see that after NFP market is going up after some liquidity grab and all, you can still go for a buy above 3950, because this is a really strong support. We have seen 4,000 is acting as a magnet, but 4,000, the level is not working precisely. Market is just trading around 4,000. So 394250 is the best support where you can look for a buy position if market drops before or after NFP. Second buying opportunity is around 397673. See, the dotted line that you see here, 397673, is not a major support. But before NFP or before US session, if market drops, we can look for a buy position here. Means low volume drop, you can expect market to take support. If it does, we can look for a buy position. Then we see a blue line here. Okay, if market drops below 4029, if market drops below 4029 before NFP, we can look for a sell position as well. If you're wondering how much we can expect 80 pips. To be honest, personally, I'm targeting 80 pips only. Yesterday, remember, we had a sell below 3970 and market reversed from 3961. Luckily, my target was 80. Okay, I said 3960, but I exited at 3962. Okay, so I was safe. But here I took a sell position yesterday, so ultimately, okay, it was a no profit no loss day for me. My SL was hit here. But overall, okay, I am targeting 80 pips these days because the trend of the market is not clear. So here, if market drops to the 4029 before NFP, we can look for a 70 to 80 pips drop here, because market has been very volatile. It's very difficult to understand the market these days. So these are the 3 trading opportunities we can trade if market drops from the current position. And right now, what is the trend of the market? Trend of the market is sideways. The direction is not clear. As we have discussed plenty of times in our earlier videos also, for gold to be bullish again, it needs to cross 4250, then 4400. 4400 is the main level for gold. Okay. And if market goes up from here before NFP, we can look for a sell position around 4100. Why 4100? Because market has shown price rejection from above. So if market shows price rejection from above around 4100, we can look for a sell position. And second selling opportunity is around 4150. You can see we have a resistance around 4140, but I feel that there is a possibility of some SL hunting, liquidity grab. So when market will be coming down, we can take a sell below 4150. So if market goes up, we have two levels, 4100 and sell around 4150 after liquidity grab. Clear? And if market drops, the best support is around 394250. But chances of market coming to 394250 is less. Why? Because it's far away. So as a result, before NFP, we can look for support around 397673 as well. And if market drops below 4029, we can look for a quick selling opportunity below that as well. And after NFP, if market takes a direction, forget about these levels, whatever we discussed, because technicals do not work when fundamentals dominate. Okay, so just follow the trend of the market. And if market just shows spikes, if you see that okay, market is not taking any direction, just volatile, then do not trade. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money, because gold is really giving us a tough time for the last few days. Okay, and if you're a beginner, new trader, look for opportunities outside gold, because the goal is to make money, not to be loyal to gold only, isn't it? Bye bye, take care.